Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Landmark. In this video, I will talk about Rishikesh. Rishikesh is located in the foothills of the Himalayas in northern India. It lies 43 km from Dehradun in Uttarakhand. It is also known as the gateway to the Garhwal Himalayas and yoga capital of the world. The world may know of this as a holy temple town, a hippie abode, the place where the Beatles took to spirituality under Mahesh Yogi, or as an international hotspot for yoga. But more than anything else, it is the Ganga that defines Rishikesh. It is an excellent place to meditate and study yoga. Rishikesh has numerous of ashrams, some of which are internationally recognized as centers of philosophical studies, yoga, and meditation. An international yoga week is organized here every year by Uttarakhand Tourism between 2nd and 7th of February. The climate here is continental type, but its location in the foothills gives it a pleasant weather throughout the year. One can visit Rishikesh any time of the year. Things to see and do in Rishikesh. First one is Lakshman Jhula. The famous 450-foot long suspension bridge was built in 1939. It is said that Lord Ram's brother Lakshman crossed the Ganga on a jute rope from here. The Lakshman and Raghunath temples are here. This part of town is better known for its busy bazaars and cafes. Second one is Ram Jhula. Just 2 km ahead downstream from Lakshman Jhula at Muni Ki Reti is another suspension bridge built later. This is also called as Sivanand Jhula, surrounded by a cluster of ashrams on both sides. It connects Sivanand Ashram on the east bank and Swarg Ashram on the west. Third one is Ganga Aarti. The holy Ganga is worshipped at various ghats in Rishikesh, among which the Ganga Aarti at Paramarth Niketan and Triveni Ghat are very famous. The diyas floating on the Ganga in the dark are a sight to behold. Fourth one is Triveni Ghat. It is believed that the confluence of Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati took place here. This ghat is large and clean and has separate changing rooms for women. Fourth one is Bharat Mandir. Situated in the heart of Rishikesh, this temple is said to be the oldest one here. It is devoted not to the Bharat, we would automatically assume the brother of Ram, but to Vishnu, who is referred to as Bharat in Kali Yuga. The temple has a collection of excavated artifacts dating from the 2nd to 15th century. Sixth one is bungee jumping. Jumping Heights is a completely adventure lover place located in Mohan Chhati near Rishikesh, famous site among fun and adventure enthusiasts. Jumping Heights has a fixed platform for bungee of 83 meters over the River Hall, a tributary of River Ganga operated by a highly experienced team from the New Zealand. Jumping Heights offer bungee jumping and giant swing. Jumping Heights also has the Asia's longest flying fox of 1 km. Seventh one is rafting. The Rishikesh region offers whitewater rafting from May to September. The Ganga comes rushing down the mountain through Cordial 40 km and Shivpuri 16 km before it reaches Rishikesh. Here it slows down before bursting into whitewater rapids as it descends into the plains. Many rafting operators have riverside camps between Rishikesh and Cordial with tents for overnight stay, typically with 2 cots, a table and 2 small chairs. All the necessary rafting equipment, meals, some games like volleyball or water polo and bonfires are part of the package. Package range from a standard 2-day, 1-night options to longer ones. 8th one is Tera Manzil Temple. Tera Manzil Temple is a famous tourist spot and holy multi-story temple located on the banks of River Ganga in Rishikesh, also called up as Trimbakeswar Temple in Rishikesh. This holy shrine has 13 stories and each story has several idols of Hindu gods and goddess. Thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.